Finding a quality bed frame that doesn't creak, wobble, or cost a fortune feels impossible. You need something sturdy that elevates your bedroom without draining your savings account. Stick around to discover how these 5 best inexpensive bed frame can transform your sleep space. Check the description below for links to all the frames mentioned. Let's dive in. Starting our countdown at number 5, the CERLIN 14-inch metal platform delivers exceptional value at just $53. This frame transforms your bedroom with its elegant black oak finish and thoughtfully designed wooden headboard and footboard that create a premium aesthetic without the premium cost. The 14-inch height provides incredible underbed storage capacity, essentially giving you a free storage solution for seasonal items, extra linens, or anything you need tucked away. The metal construction ensures long-lasting durability while maintaining that clean, modern look that works with virtually any decor style. What sets this frame apart is its noise-free design, featuring non-slip technology that eliminates those annoying squeaks and mattress sliding issues. The engineering focuses on stability, so you get peaceful sleep without disruptions from movement or shifting throughout the night. The no-box spring requirement saves you additional money, while the straightforward assembly process means you'll have your new bed ready in under an hour. The frame accommodates standard mattress sizes perfectly, creating a seamless bedroom upgrade that looks far more expensive than its price suggests. The main consideration is the basic construction. While sturdy for the price, it lacks some premium features found in higher-end options. However, for budget-conscious shoppers seeking reliable sleep support with style, this frame delivers outstanding value. At number 4, the Linenspa contemporary platform redefines smart bedroom storage with an impressive 12 inches of underbed clearance. Priced under $200, this steel-constructed frame combines minimalist elegance with practical functionality that maximizes your bedroom space efficiency. The matte black finish provides sophisticated versatility that complements any interior design theme, from industrial chic to modern minimalism. The platform design eliminates box spring requirements, saving you both money and bedroom real estate while providing optimal mattress support for better sleep quality. This frame's foldable engineering makes it perfect for renters, college students, or anyone who relocates frequently. The modular design breaks down quickly for moves while maintaining structural integrity when assembled. The steel construction supports weights between 200 and 500 pounds comfortably. Assembly takes minimal effort with clear instructions and basic tools, allowing most people to complete setup independently within 30 minutes. The lightweight design doesn't compromise strength, delivering years of reliable performance that justifies every dollar of your investment. Keep in mind that some users report occasional squeaking over time due to the moving parts design. Despite this minor drawback, the combination of storage capacity, portability, and affordability makes this frame an intelligent choice for practical sleepers. Taking the third spot, the Zinus Moiz wood platform brings natural warmth and solid construction to your bedroom for under $300. This frame showcases real wood craftsmanship combined with interior steel reinforcement, creating a hybrid design that delivers both beauty and exceptional 700-pound weight capacity. The rich wood grain finish adds organic texture and timeless appeal that elevates any bedroom aesthetic. Unlike purely metal frames, this wooden platform creates a cozy, welcoming atmosphere while providing the structural reliability you need for quality sleep every night. 8 inches of underbed clearance offers practical storage solutions, while the platform design supports your mattress without requiring additional box springs or foundations. The frame arrives with all necessary assembly tools included, making setup straightforward even for those with limited DIY experience. Customer reviews consistently praise the premium appearance that rivals frames costing twice as much. The solid construction means this frame can easily accommodate couples or heavier sleepers without compromising stability or developing the annoying creaks common in cheaper alternatives. The wood finish may appear brighter than expected in photos, and some users note occasional loosening that requires periodic tightening. However, the combination of natural aesthetics, robust construction, and reasonable pricing makes this frame exceptional value for style-conscious buyers. Claiming second place, the Amazon Basics foldable metal platform proves that simplicity and functionality can create bedroom perfection for just over $100. This steel alloy frame focuses on practical performance with clean lines and professional black finishing that works seamlessly in any setting. The standout feature is the innovative foldable design that transforms this bed from assembled furniture to compact, portable package in minutes. This makes it absolutely perfect for college students, frequent movers, military personnel, or anyone needing flexible sleeping solutions without sacrificing comfort or support. Assembly requires zero tools and minimal time. Simply unfold, adjust, and you're ready for sleep. The engineering eliminates complicated hardware, confusing instructions, and frustrating setup processes that plague many budget bed options. Even complete beginners can have this frame ready instantly. The generous underbed space accommodates substantial storage needs, while the platform design eliminates box spring requirements entirely. The steel construction provides reliable durability that withstands regular assembly and disassembly cycles without weakening or developing structural issues over time. The 250-pound weight limit means it's better suited for single sleepers rather than couples. Additionally, the ultra-minimal aesthetic might not satisfy those wanting decorative headboards or styling elements. For practical, no-nonsense sleep support, this frame excels. Taking our top position, the Nectar Bed Frame with Headboard delivers premium bedroom luxury at $749, proving that sophisticated design doesn't require $1,000 investments. This fully upholstered frame features elegant tufted detailing and professional-grade construction that rivals designer furniture stores. The steel frame foundation provides rock-solid 700-pound weight capacity, making it ideal for couples who want zero movement transfer or structural concerns. The included wooden slats create optimal mattress support while eliminating box spring expenses, delivering immediate savings beyond the initial purchase price. Two sophisticated color options, refined linen and versatile gray, ensure perfect coordination with existing bedroom decor. The upholstered headboard adds comfort for reading or relaxing while creating that finished, designer appearance that transforms your entire bedroom atmosphere into something special. Assembly proves surprisingly straightforward despite the premium appearance, with clear instructions and quality hardware that actually fits properly. Customer reviews consistently mention the frame's stability and quiet operation, essential factors for quality sleep and long-term satisfaction with your purchase. The upholstered design requires occasional cleaning maintenance, and the plastic leg components aren't quite premium quality. However, considering the included headboard, superior weight capacity, and elegant aesthetics, this frame provides unmatched value in the affordable luxury category. These 5 bed frames prove quality sleep support doesn't require spending thousands. From sleek modern designs with hidden storage to minimalist foldable frames for portability, there's a choice for every lifestyle and budget. Rest easy knowing comfort and durability come first.